Double displacement reaction, the fourth type of chemical reaction, is a chemical reaction in which there is an exchange of ions between the reactants to give new substances. Let's see with an example what is a double displacement reaction. Example given over here is aqueous solution of barium chloride is mixed with aqueous solution of sodium sulfate, and that gives us barium sulfate. The arrow down shows us that barium sulfate which is formed in this case is actually a precipitate. So this is a precipitate that is formed, okay, and in an aqueous solution of sodium chloride, which is just salt, okay. So what happens in this case? We say that the ions displace each other, or there is an exchange of ions. So which are the ions over here? Have a look. The ions over here are chlorine and sulfate. So you have chlorine ions and you have sulfate ions. There is an exchange between the two. Chlorine comes in place of sulfate, and SO4 comes in place of chlorine. Got it? I'll put them in blue so that you, or I'll mark them in blue. These are the ions. And there is an exchange of ions between the two. In the previous case, what was happening? A more active metal was displacing a less active metal. Here, that is not happening. What is happening is they are displacing each other, or basically it's more like how you have musical chairs where you keep changing chairs. If you go and sit in someone else's place, someone comes and sits in your place. So in this case, chlorine goes and sits in sulfate's place, but sulfate also comes and sits in chlorine's place. So there is an exchange of ions between the two. There is nothing happening between barium and sodium. These are where they are, but there is an exchange in this case. Now in this particular case, a precipitate is formed. What is a precipitate? Usually it is an insoluble solid which settles down at the bottom of the container, or in case of a test tube, if this particular reaction is carried out in a test tube. Reactions or chemical reactions in which precipitates are formed are known as precipitation reaction. What they are known as? Precipitation reaction. Okay. Now in this case, a white precipitate of barium sulfate is formed at the bottom of the test tube when this reaction is carried out in a test tube. Okay. So remember, double displacement involves two double displacement. The previous one was just displacement. That means only a single molecule was getting displaced. That in case a single element or atom was getting displaced. Now in that case, it was the metals were displacing each other. Here the metals are the way they are. There is no change in the metals. Here the ions are displacing each other. One ion comes in the place of the other, and the other one comes in place of the one which has displaced it. So either way they have got partners. There is an exchange of partners over here. Okay, it's like saying this one has left its partner to join this one's partner, and because this one has come over here, this one has come in or joined this one in partnership. So they've just exchanged partners, nothing else over here. Alright, but in case who changes the partners? It is the ions. These are the ions which change the partners, not the metals. The metals remain over here. Okay, metals are not moving over here. It's just the ions that move. So this type of reactions are called double displacement reactions. Okay, acid base neutralization reactions. These also fall under double displacement reaction. What are acid base neutral? NaOH is sodium hydroxide, and sodium hydroxide is a base. You'll learn more about acids and bases in the chapter about acids and bases. Sodium hydroxide is a base, and hydrochloric acid is of course, as the name suggests, an acid. So when acid and base react, they give, okay, salt and water. So this is a salt and this is of course water. So this is sodium chloride. So it gives us salt and water. And such reactions where acid reacts with where base reacts with acid to give us salt and water, such type of reactions are called neutralization reaction. What are they called? Neutralization reaction. Now in this case it is also a double displacement reaction. Have a look at sodium hydroxide. Here OH are the ions. So OH minus ion, and here you have chlorine ion. So you chlorine Cl minus ions. Now there is an exchange between OH goes here and Cl comes here. So when Cl comes and leaves its partner H to join with Na as its new partner, it forms NaCl, and OH comes in place of Cl to form H2O. H2O is nothing but HOH, which can be written as, because there are two hydrogen atoms, we can write this as H2O, which is nothing but water. Okay, so this acid base neutralization reactions are also an example of double displacement reactions.